We're out here on a family-friendly hike. This is one of our first ones where Julian is actually kind of able to walk, but we're not going to make him walk in the beginning. We're going to shuttle him in and eventually he'll be able to explore. He's pretty mesmerized right now in his little nest up there, so we let him enjoy. So this is a pretty simple trail. It's very family friendly. It's only about a 30-minute drive from Seattle and, you know, about 3 miles or less round trip, but it leads to a pretty special place. This is kind of late September, so one of the kind of last times of the year that we're going to be able to come out and like comfortably hike outdoors. So we figured it was a nice time to bring Julian out for one last late summer hike. Oh, he's so happy. We've been making it a point to bring Julian outside ever since he was really young, to get him accustomed to being outdoors and hopefully make him want to be outdoors. And I think it's safe to say that it's been working. He really loves it. He always gets calmed and really impressed when he's out here. He loves it. This forest here is looking awesome. Yeah, this is a great forest. Passing a lot of families on this trail, so definitely a great place to bring babies or young children. Not stroller friendly though, so unless they can walk for, you know, 3 miles, probably want to bring some kind of carrier for them. Look at these trees. Yeah, it's cool here. A little bit of elevation here. Yeah, I think it's not too much, but it's not entirely flat. I'm actually sweating uphill here, which is almost impossible and unheard of. And of course I'm sweating because it only takes like 5 steps for me to break into a sweat, so no surprise there. But yeah, we're about 0.8 miles into this hike. That was a good guess. But from here, we get a really nice view of what we're going towards. Out there, we have a waterfall. 2 of them. Yeah, one up top and one down below. All right, Juju, get ready. It's gonna be a hard one. Oh, look at these roots creeping on the ground here. I'm doing it, but it's hard. No pain, no gain. Just checking out all the streams. Wow, it's cool. Pretty magical. Yeah. You ready, Juju? Hi. See how detailed this GoPro is? Can you see all the beads of sweat on my face? Because there's a lot.
Ooh, thunderous.
Wow. Hey, that's cool. Nice.
Yeah, so we're right in between them now.
Not a great place to be if you're afraid of heights. That's incredible. There's even one behind it.
There you are. So far this hike is not that bad for having a kid on my back. I have been here before at least once when actually I bought a new camera and I came to learn to take photos of waterfalls for the first time here. A bunch of waterfalls. Really it's kind of like cascading rapids, but you could call it a waterfall for sure, but the real big drop is actually on that side down there. Trying to copy me whacking the branches.
Oh.
But he's whacking me. All right, Juju is going down to play. Are you ready? Are you excited? All right, come out, baby. He's impressed when he sees kids up there.
So just over here?
Yeah. He just learned to walk.
If you want to suffer, introduce him to video games.
Oh yeah, I don't want to.
Not a good idea.
That's why he's here. You love climbing, don't you? I knew it. Wow, trail. It's hiking trail. It's harder, isn't it? You're hiking for the first time by yourself, aren't you? You're going down. I got you. Oh, I got you. Wow, you're running through the forest now. First river experience for Juju. I grew up playing like this because I wasn't near the sea. It's all sand right here. It's pretty nice.
Well, we finished our hike. It was, you know, pretty easy. We let Julian get out and play for a little bit, and then that part got maybe a little harder towards the end, but we finished.
So what was awesome is that he was able to simply walk on the trail on his own for a long time. I didn't even have to carry him part of the way back. What did get hard is that he sees water, he wants to jump, so we let him. We're trying to make him understand that if he sees water and goes in it with his clothes on, he won't feel good, so we let him get wet. And then we had to change him, and then he didn't want to go back in the carrier.
We had to deal with the consequences of him getting wet, basically. But, you know, we weren't too far from the end, so that's kind of why we did it. So that's what's nice about this trail is that, you know, in the beginning it's pretty flat. You get river access really quickly, and, you know, as you keep going, it gets a little bit more elevation to the actual waterfall. But, you know, you can just come and hang out in the front and not have to go all the way up. So yeah, it was a really nice hike, I think. And I love that he was just walking the trail by himself, like unprompted. He just kind of started wandering and doing it and doing pretty well. Amazing to see as parents. That's really hard feeling. There were tons of babies on the trail, but none of them were walking down the trail like him. This is true. This is true. But yeah, it's very promising because we are hoping to do lots more hiking with him, hopefully when he can walk on his own and we don't have to carry him so much.